Hello lovely people, welcome back once again. There is jobs opportunities here that I want to share with all of us. After listening to the jobs mentioned, the one that is your position, then you take the contact and then you chat the number. Again, if you see me posting jobs here, I'm not forcing anyone to travel. Yes, I have a reason for saying this. So if I post a job here and you are not interested, don't go for it. Because today someone passed me a message on Facebook which I was like, what is this? I am posting jobs here for those who are interested to travel to Gulf countries. Yes, I know most of you are here. You are planning for the European countries. So if Gulf country is not for you or you don't like, please don't go for it. Yes. All right, here are the jobs position. The first one is steel erectors. They need steel erectors in Kuwait here. Salary is 120 KD, 15 KD food allowance. Salary is 120 KD plus 15 KD allowance for steel erectors. The second one is welder. They are hiring welder, yes. Welders with welder certification from an approved training center or third-party agency. Yes, you need to be a certified welder. Salary is 125 KD plus 15 KD food allowance. The third one is steel fabricators. They are hiring steel fabricators in Kuwait here. Yes, steel fabricators. Structural steel fabricators who can work in all types of structural steel work like buildings, build up, pipe work, and etc. Yes, so if you are here and you know, or you are steel fabricator, you know your job. Yes, salary is 130 KD to 140 KD plus 15 KD food allowance. Working hours 8 hours, 8 hours plus overtime. So after working 8 hours for the day, if you want to do overtime like 4 hours, it is allowed in that company. Meaning if you do the overtime, you are going either for the steel erector or welder or steel fabricator. If you do overtime, you are going to receive salary more than what is written here. Yes, accommodation will be provided by a company. Transportation to work will be provided by a company. Weekly 1 day off. Every week you get 1 day off. Yes, so if you are interested in this offer, let me put their contact on the screen. All right, that is the number you are seeing on the screen. So if you are interested, kindly take it and chat here. Again, there's driving job. There's driving job here. So if you are interested, that one too, let me wait. This driving offer, yes, is Kuwait biggest like shopping mall or shopping company. It is not delivery, it is company driver, fixed salary, and the salary is 140 KD per month. Yes, so if you are willing to come and live in Kuwait and work as a driver, then this offer is for you. It's not delivery, note that, because some of you do say you don't want delivery, some do you want. Okay, so this one is not delivery. All right, so if you are interested, I'll put the contact to here, then you take the number, chat for more information, because I don't want the video to be too much long. So if you chat me, I will forward to the requirement. If you are interested, then you submit your documents, then they apply for you. Age limit is 22 to 35 years, maybe 36 they can consider. Yes, that is the age limit. So if you watch the video, if you are more than 36 years, don't take the number. Yes, but if you are less than that and you are interested, then you take the number that I am about to put it here. Chat the number for the full requirement to read it by yourself. If you are interested, then you submit your documents. All right, that is the number you are seeing on the screen. So if you are interested in the driving job, take the number, chat her, and then she will send you the requirement to read. If you like it, you just submit your documents here. If you have watched to this point, you are amazing. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and don't hesitate to share our channel to your friends. They may be interested in the first job or the driving job. All right, if you have watched to this point, thank you very much. Don't forget to like the video. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.